got back from doing some yoga and I'm so excited because I've just received the doTERRA products that are the essential oils that I ordered. So I just thought I'd do an unboxing so you can see how it looks when it arrives. So it comes with a lots of squishy bubbles, and here's one of the oils. This is red mandarin, and then this I ordered extra fractionated coconut oil, which is what you can dilute the oils with and make it so it's easily put onable. Past tense. That's exciting. Can't remember what that one does, but I'll look it up. There's my little list. Past tense. Can't remember what past tense does, but I'll look it up. Kumquat. And some of these I didn't order. They sort of came as an extra with what I did want. Whoa! And this is what I really am excited about. This is the actual packet. It's called doTERRA Family Essentials and Beadlets Enrollment Kit. And beadlets, I think, if I understand correctly, is where you can put some oil into and take it internally. So it comes with a book, the doTERRA Essentials, with what's this? With some labels to stick on bottles. If you make up your own blend with a bit of oil and this coconut oil, then you stick one of these labels on so you know what you've made up. And a book, it's a very nice book with what all the oils do. So let's see, what did I say I didn't know what it was? Past tense. So you've got each of the individual oils, but then somewhere I think they're going to have the blends. Loads of different oils. Wow, here we are. These are the blends, I think. Rose Touch, Spearmint, Tangerine. Oh, there we go. Sorry, they're in a different colour for the idiots like me. So past tense is the relaxation blend. That's what I obviously thought I needed. Applied to the back of neck before travel to calm emotions. Stay on text, refocus, and it's good for your shoulders and neck. So that's good. I get a lot of trouble with my shoulders and neck, so that's obviously why I ordered that. Excuse me. So then in here as well, we've got On Peppermint Beadlets and On Guard Beadlets. Get that out, but let's get this out first. And this, the doTERRA Family Essentials Kit. Slide that off, and ooh, so it's very nice packaging, I have to say. It feels heavy and solid. And there's all your essentials. So I've got lavender, lemon, peppermint, breathe. And breathe I'm really interested in because that's the one for if you've got allergies. And my daughter's allergic to house dust and things. She takes antihistamine every day, and when I went to the class they're explaining that you can just remove the need for all of that. And I get hay fever, so I'm interested. Deep blue melaleuca. I can't remember how she said that. That's tea tree oil. Frankincense, oregano, which apparently is really potent. Digest Zen, which is good if you have issues with your digestive system. And On Guard, which is good for boosting your immune system. I know that's true. So those all smell delicious, and they come with a little booklet here. Yep, just explaining them, and it tells you whether you can use them topically, internally, whether you have to dilute them or not. A little simple explanation there of what to do. So that's that there, and let's see if I can get these out. Just pop them out. Oh, that's exciting. So those are the beadlets. On Guard Beadlets, food supplements with essential oils. Oh, so it's already in there, I think. I think it's already filled with On Guard, which is this one for boosting your immune system. And the peppermint beadlets. What was peppermint for? I wrote that down somewhere on a little bit of paper. Peppermint. It's a blend for digestion. Ah, that makes sense. We talked about this because you often people have a peppermint tea after dinner, makes them feel better. So this is for digestion. So if you've got an upset stomach and feeling like stomach pains, I guess you can, after eating, you can take one of these. I'm going to investigate. So that's the doTERRA unboxing, which is quite exciting.